Welcome back to another Hill Vending YouTube video. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how this table right here, this folding table, saved my vending business thousands of dollars. So how did this folding table save my vending business thousands of dollars? Well, it's an analogy. It's an analogy for how if you're just starting out in the business, you should be spending your money. There's gonna be unforeseen expenses that come up in your business. When you're just starting out, it's easy to wanna put credit card readers, wanna get VMS, wanna get the nicest accounting software, wanna get a new computer, wanna get a new desk. There's a lot of expenses that go into it, and you have to protect your cash. That's very important. Let's say you have your machines at a location and they want them moved so that they can clean under the machines, or they wanna move to another part of the building. Well, if you don't know how to move your own machines, you're gonna have to pay a mover to move those machines. That's not an expense that you expected to be paying for, but that you're gonna have to cover. If they wanna move the machines back after cleaning, you're gonna have to pay the movers to do that as well. It's not that a couple years ago I couldn't have paid $300, $400, $500 for a desk. It's that I wanted to save that money for buying deals on product, investing in new machines, okay? I'll give you an example. For 2 years, for over a year and a half, probably 2 years, I drove around in a box truck that had spotty AC, let's say. And as you know, in Florida, it can get really hot in the summertime. I'd have to press the button and I'd get like 5 minutes of AC, then it would go out. But I didn't want to dump a bunch of money into repairing a truck that was old, that had over 220,000 miles on it, and not get a return for that. Now, when the time came and the business could support it, we went and bought a brand new box truck, completely fitted out with working AC, exactly how we wanted our box truck to be. So I'm not saying you can never have these things. What I'm saying is you want to do it at a disciplined manner, in a disciplined manner. So the key takeaway from this video is you want to save as much cash in your business as possible. And that means you may have to delay getting some of the bells and whistles for your business initially, so that you can put money into machines and equipment and assets that are gonna actually produce you a return and produce you money. If you found this video helpful, guys, go ahead and leave in the comments what you think, what you thought of the video. Hit the like button, consider subscribing. We're gonna put out more YouTube content to help you guys grow your vending business. And until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.